Mukbang. Wow! Hello! So, here's our home area. Wow, that's... Oh, wow! Sabi na... Sabi ng buka, iba! This way for you. So, this is where we are going to perform for today. We're now going to the performing area to do some blockings. Yeah. The auditorium. Careful. So, this is the event for today. Russia, Asia. Wow! Wow! So, this is the stage where we are going to perform. Oh!
A few moments later.
Yeah, we're gonna eat first before do our makeup. This is me.
Iba pala dinner.
Mukbang natin.
Almost 9 o'clock ng performance.
Pero mag-ano daw? Ang tawag doon.
Ano pa naman?
Lunch edition.
UP Diliman lunch. Lunch, UP Diliman edition. Yeah. Oh my God.
Audition?
Edition.
Hindi ako yung makakulit.
Bakit ganun? Language barrier ba to? Kindergarten. Parang mata mo dito. Ay? Nakuha ano sa video eh. Wala pang 5 minutes yun, sabi ng germs.
A few inches later.
Sa videoan ng iPhone 15 Pro Max
Na hindi alam ko paano gamitin.
Is that your vlog?
Sino may birthday? Baka yung nasa birthday niya. Yung mga nakita ng Kasi tignan mo yung background, diba? Fit check! Bukas tayo ng panahon. Tak.
이거 하지 말까? 너 그래. 너무 좀 막히게서 쌓이는데?
A few moments later.
Wow, we're going to eat for a bit.
Pero ang tunay na dilaw.
Yes! Wow! Wow, ang taray nun ah.
Cream cheese din yan, tapos parang salmon ata siya. Kailangan may laman ang siya nito. Tapos medyo raw yung smoke lang ng light.
And a white wine. Magpanggap tayo ngayong gabi na ito. Cheers!
Kaninong what? Girl pa? Ano nga girl? Patigyan mo ako girl. Yes. Patigyan mo white wine. Oh! Or sa'yo ba tatay? Kala ko teacher.
And the best actress goes to myself. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bakit yun nag-iwi na?
sumiyawi. Ayaw sa'yo. Ayaw sa'yo, Ate Janine. Mimi, mimi. Yaw nga. Kinurian eh. Hello. Hello.
Talaga. Hindi, parang hindi pa tayo pinipata ko dito, bukang-buka ko.
Sorry. Ayoko lang galawin, te.
Huwag na, hindi na tayo yan.
Ganun pala po. Ha?
Yan.
Te, nakakatawa, te, kung mahulog yung pilit mata ko habang mahulog yung pilit mata ko habang nagpiperform.
Ate, wala siyang ano. Wala siyang pangalan sa clip.
Then, thank you so much.
Later.
Experience Korean culture by witnessing a JINDO BUKCHUM performance by the Korean Cultural Center NARA Performance Team.